Welcome to Boutir Tutorials. In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to organize your online store categories. For better experience, please watch this video in full screen mode and turn on the subtitles. Now, let's begin. Firstly, launch your Boutir app to start. Then, in your homepage, look for the Product tab at the bottom of your app. Click on it. On the product page, tap on the product button on the top of the screen. You will see the options of store stock count and category. Click on category. Here, you can manage your categories easily without going through each product. Firstly, you may create a new category by clicking on the Create button. Insert your category name and click Create. Next, you can create a subcategory for a certain category by clicking on the category. Note that this is only available for Business and Business Plus plan subscribers only. You will see the plus button next to category. Click on it to create a subcategory. Last but not least, you can select the products related to the category. Click on the category you wish to add and click on the plus button at the products option. Then, you will be able to choose multiple products for your category. You can also edit this and deselect the items in the future. Once done, click Done to save. With that, your store is now set. Download Boutir now on Google Play Store or App Store.